Hello, I am Esteban and today I will be your chemistry teacher. We are going to talk about the periodic table. The periodic table is the arrangement of chemical elements in order increasing of atomic number. A chemical element is a simple substance that cannot be broken down into smaller parts. The basic part of an element is an atom, which contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. All atoms of an element have the same number of protons. The atomic number is the amount of protons each element has, and it is represented by the letter Z. The periodic table gives us information about the element properties. Normally, we can find its symbol, its atomic number, its atomic mass, and its oxidation states. The first person to arrange the element in this way was Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. The periodic table that he created was very different from the one we have nowadays. At first, only 92 elements were discovered, so he left some blank out for future additions, until now that are 118 elements. In relation to the division of the table, it is made up of groups and periods. There are 18 groups, which are organized in columns, and 7 periods that are stated in rows along the table. We can also divide the table by families in alkaline earth, transition metals, lanthanides, actinides, boroids, carbonoids, nitrogenoids, amphigens, halogens, and noble gases. In the same way, we can divide it according to the type of orbital in S, P, G, and F. An orbital is the region most likely to find an electron. The different elements can be divided into 3 types. The first ones are metals. They can have many different colors because of the variety of arrangement of the electrons. In the table, we can find 93. The second ones are semi-metals, which are 7. And the last type is the group of non-metals. There are 19, and they are necessary in our lives. There are elements which have a very short life because the isotopes are very unstable. Now I will tell you some curiosities about the table. It is very common that people try to form their name with elements. For example, mine will be Einsteinium, Tellurium, Barium, and Nitrogen. The curiosity is that people who have a G in their name can't do it because there isn't any element with this letter. There is only one element 100% Spanish, which is tungsten. It was discovered by the brothers Juan José and Fausto de Lullar in 1783. There are people who also recognize platinum and vanadium as Spanish, because they were discovered on the border between Colombia and Ecuador and a Mexican mine. In conclusion, it is unbelievable that something so small can give us such amount of information. I hope you have learned something new about the periodic table. The bibliography used is in the description of the video.